Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter app not opening. If the X app formerly known as Twitter won't open on your iPhone or Android device, do not worry. This issue is usually caused by a temporary app glitch, outdated software or network problem. So firstly, you need to make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You need to go to your notifications bar, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on, or you can also switch between the cellular data or your Wi-Fi. And the next is you need to check whether there's an update available for the X app. You need to open the App Store and you need to find the Twitter app. And over here, if there's any available updates, you need to update the app. And if the app still continues to crash, won't open, you need to simply restart your device and log in again and open your Twitter again. And that is it. That is how you can fix the X app when it is not opening. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.